Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial as I show you how I play the chords to I Want You by Marvin Gaye on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and we'll start by going over the chord shapes. We'll be needing to learn how to play a C sharp minor 9, in order to play that chord, we'll need to put a finger on the A string, fret 4, the D string, fret 2, the G string, fret 4, and the B string, fret 4. And we're going to strum from the A string. We don't need the high E, so it'll get muted by the little finger here, or we can mute it down here at the bridge when we're playing the chords. We'll need an F sharp minor 7, played this way. Now I'm playing that Jimi Hendrix style with the thumb over the top of the neck, holding down the E string at fret 2 and barring everything from the D string down at fret 2. I'm muting the A string. We can also play that chord by making an A shape like this. That's an A, and then bringing that index finger up to fret 2 on the low E string and play it that way. That's also an F sharp minor 7. We'll need a B 9th suspended 4 played this way. I'm just holding down the A string at fret 2 and barring everything below it like that, not playing the low E string. Then we'll move to a G sharp minor 7, play the same way we played the F sharp minor 7. Play it this way, or we can play it this way, the same way that we played the F sharp minor 7. We'll play a C sharp 9th suspended 4 by playing that. That was our B 9th suspended 4. Raise it 2 frets, C sharp 9th suspended 4. Strumming that from the A string as well. A major 7. For that one, we're strumming from the A string, and we're playing the D string at fret 2, the G string at fret 1, and the B string at fret 2. That's A major 7. We'll play an E major 7 by taking that up to fret 7. So we're now barring fret 7 from the A string down, and we've got a finger on the 9th fret on the D string, the 8th fret on the G string, and the 9th fret on the B string. And that is E major 7. We'll need a G sharp suspended 4 formed this way. We've got the index finger on the B and high E string at fret 4, the G string fret 5, and the D string fret 6. We're going to put the little finger on the G string at fret 6 as well, and we're going to strum from the D string. That's G sharp suspended 4. We're going to remove the little finger and we'll get G sharp. So now we have G sharp suspended 4 to G sharp. We'll need one more chord, a B7 suspended 4, played this way. We're borrowing from the A string at fret 2 all the way down, bringing in the ring finger to the D string fret 4 and the little finger to the B string fret 5. For the intro, we'll be strumming one chord. That will be the C sharp minor 9, played this way. And our strumming pattern will be played this way. We'll strum that way throughout the song. So for that strumming pattern, we're going down, up, down, up, down, just like that. And we're doing a 16th note strumming pattern. So it's so we got some chucks going on in between there. Now chuck is a muted strum. So to get those muted strums, I'm simply pressing and releasing my fingers when I don't want the strings to sound like that. I've got my strings laying on the fretboard. Now when I want a chord sound, I'm gonna squeeze. So and up the speed. And that's what we'll play for our intro. After we do the intro, we'll go straight into the chorus. For the chorus, these are the chords that we'll play. C sharp minor 9, F sharp minor 7, G sharp minor 7, A major 7, G sharp minor 7, C sharp 9th suspended 4, F sharp minor 7, B 9th suspended 4, E major 7, G sharp suspended 4, G sharp. For all these chords, we'll use the strumming pattern that we discussed earlier. Next is the verses. And for the verses, we'll go to our C sharp minor 9, F sharp minor 7, B7 suspended 4, G sharp suspended 4, and G sharp. We'll We'll play it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, all right, my friends. Since all the parts are repeated, that's all we have to know in order to play I Want You by Marvin Gaye on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.